Coastal TV, Jumedifu Frayada Bayatu in Puntu. It's about development. You discuss issues of national concern, issues of central concern, matters that concern central region and Ghana. In Puntu Sama offer Kepus, baby will be in Puntu Sama offer. Or your one and Asadi, there or Sade, or in Puntu, other baby on the Yadin Fubana over Transi. We are no other man. Or your one and Asadi, those in Puntu Baba Kepus, one and Asadi, those in Puntu Baba Central region, one and Asadi. So in Puntu on Baba Gani Nara. In Puntu Sama offer Kepus, baby will be in Puntu Sama offer. Or your one and Asadi, there or Sade, or in Puntu, other baby A in the P, and a Batanasi, women down of Pediara. Live Ever Coastal TV. Coastal TV, your own face, your own voice. No me yesi machara. Yesi macharo.
Let's go. Produce it, process it, distribute it. I go make it just to feed my own. I go do it.
And welcome to this special edition of Ghana Grows Ejuma, the program that seeks to highlight opportunities within the agriculture and ATVET sectors. Now, this program, our aim is to encourage young Ghanaians to take advantage of these initiatives within these sectors so that they don't go chasing elusive white-collar jobs. This program is an initiative of Mastercard Foundation in partnership with Springboard Roadshow Foundation. I'm your host, Araba Kumsin, and in today's special edition, we're meeting a young Ghanaian graduate who is taking advantage of the Bui Dam to redefine success through irrigation farming.
The Bui Dam, located on the Black Volta River, was commissioned on December 19, 2013 to help boost Ghana's energy needs. But who would have thought that it would also offer an incredible opportunity to a graduate of the University of Ghana to venture into irrigation farming by taking advantage of the downstream? How did it all begin? Let's find out.
Let's go and meet this remarkable young man. Hello, Roger. How are you? Welcome to Ghana Grows Ejuma.
Thank you very much.
Go and show me your file.
Sure.
Interesting. So we'll get into the farming business proper later on. But tell me about yourself. I mean, what do you do? Who are you? Who is Roger?
Okay. So my name is Roger Jabayamo. But it's spelled as Rog. R-O-D-G. But
that's an interesting name.
The pronunciation is Rog. Yeah.
I see. So what's your background? Growing up, what did you study in school?
Okay. So I did electrical and electronics engineering.
Electronic engineering.
Yeah.
Engineering.
Yeah.
Engineer turned farmer.
Yes.
Wow. Amazing. Yeah. So Roger, tell us, where are we standing right now? Okay, all I see is, you know, rows and rows of pepper crops and some trees. I feel like we're in the forest. Where exactly are we?
So we are the pepper sites, and this is. So we grew them in stages. So this was the second stage.
Okay.
Yeah. The very top is the first
so
stage.
This is your farm, which is Acro Farms.
Acro Farms,
yes. Yeah. So tell us what you grew apart from pepper.
Okay, so we okra. We also do okra.
Okay.
And then we will do onions next 2 months. So okra, onions, and pepper.
Okra, onions, and pepper.
Yeah,
interesting. Yeah. But how did you come by the idea to do pepper? Why not plantain? Why not maize? Why not any other crop? Why pepper?
Starting out, if you are so you can have experience in growing different vegetables on a small scale.
Right.
But if you want to go large scale, you have to try to go with the safety net. And I think pepper is a good safety net. It's very
Safety net in
resilient.
what? How safe is it in terms of selling
it's
it?
tougher.
Okay.
It's more resistant to diseases.
Okay.
It just needs water. Like these, we've abandoned them because we want the soil to regain its natural nutrients.
So
I decided
you
to
talked
go-
about the drip irrigation.
Yes.
And
yes,
I can
yes.
see a lot of
drip lines.
drip lines here as well.
Yeah.
So is that what you call the?
Drip irrigation.
That's drip irrigation.
Yes, that's basically drip irrigation.
That's
But-
that different from farming, irrigation farming?
So it's the same thing,
Okay.
but it's different approaches.
Right.
So currently, what we are practicing is the overhead, but we started with a drip.
Mm-hmm.
So with a drip, it's very good because you have these holes, right? These tiny holes.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And so it goes directly on the soil,
Right.
and then on the plants, and it helps because with the overhead irrigation, it promotes fungi growth. So what we do is when we do the overhead irrigation, a week after we apply some.
For people who don't know what overhead irrigation is,
Oh, okay.
explain to them.
So basically, this is a plant.
Right?
You can, to give it water, you can decide to apply it from the top.
Okay.
So on the leaves.
Using a can or any other thing?
Anything,
Okay,
yes. Or
okay.
you can decide to tackle the base and then.
Yes.
So the drip looks at the base, it goes
Yes.
directly to the cell.
Okay.
Overhead, you are like how.
So overhead, you're basically just pouring water on everything
on
else.
everything else.
And it encourages the growth of
Yes.
weeds as well.
Yes,
But
weeds,
with drip, it's
drip,
specific
it's
to the
specific
plant.
Exactly.
Good.
And also with the drip, you don't need to look at fungi growth a lot. But then with overhead, because they're on the leaves, fungi would be on the leaves. So that
Coastal TV, dwumadi foforɔ a yɛde aba yɛ ato Ubuntu. It's about development. You discuss issues of national concern, issues of central concern, matters that concern Central Region and Ghana. Ubuntu sama offer capos, baby will be a Ubuntu sama offer. Or your one and asadi, there or Sade or the Ubuntu, or the baby on the Yedin Fubana over Tanasi. We are no what the man. Or your one and asadi, those in Ubuntu Baba capos. One and asadi, those in Ubuntu Baba Central Region. One and asadi. So the Ubuntu on Baba Ghana in Nara. Ubuntu sama offer capos, baby will be a Ubuntu sama offer. Or your one and asadi, there or Sade or the Ubuntu, or the baby in the P, and a batinasi, women down of Piara. Live ever Coastal TV. Coastal TV, your own face, your own voice.
No me yesi machara, yesi macharo. Mewe, viti taenya fawuti, yesi mi atu mi yendu baby.
Coastal TV, dwumadi foforɔ a yɛde aba yɛ ato Ubuntu. It's about development. You discuss issues of national concern, issues of central concern, matters that concern Central Region and Ghana. Ubuntu sama offer capos, baby will be a Ubuntu sama offer. Or your one and asadi, there or Sade or the Ubuntu, or the baby on the Yedin Fubana over Tanasi. We are no what the man. Or your one and asadi, those in Ubuntu Baba capos. One and asadi, those in Ubuntu Baba Central Region. One and asadi, those in Ubuntu on Baba Ghana in Nara. Ubuntu sama offer capos, baby will be a Ubuntu sama offer. Or your one and asadi, there or Sade or the Ubuntu, or the baby in the P, and a batinasi, women down of Piara. Live ever Coastal TV. Coastal TV, your own face, your own voice.
No me yesi machara.